Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I didn't grow up with cats, but my wife has tasked me to give her some liquid medicine. I don't know how to do that. We grew up with dogs and turtles and goldfishes and rabbits. I am trying to bribe her with her favorite treat to get this intro shot. But I'm gonna go do some research on how do we give her the medicine. Okay, this guy, he's actually a vet and goes directly into the mouth. I think that's a little too traumatic for our kitty cat. This channel will mix it in the syringe. I'm going to try to put a little bit in here and just mix it with her favorite treat. See if she likes it. Moment of truth. We need to give her 2 mLs, so I try to dilute as much as I can, and we will see if she likes it.
Are you working?
I don't know. She's more curious about the camera. Look, your favorite. I think it's working. We have a problem because we have another cat here. Stop. Stop. You'll get yours later. Okay, we are trying the medicine in the syringe with some of her treats. The vet video had them facing away from you. She doesn't even like being picked up. So, non-dominant hand up. Get her whiskers back. Okay, sorry, baby. Nope, I'm sorry. You're gonna need to take another half ml, okay? That was so bad. I'm sorry, baby. We need to give you one more. She is eating a good amount of it. Here are the battle scars. It is not your fault. I just don't know how to give you medicine. Definitely prefer the mixing it in method. She finished this other one entirely, so we are at about 1.5 milliliters. Hopefully she finishes the rest. Video 93 done.